it's time to do transformation of those messy curly hair into something slick, and we will follow who Bratmundo tip how to style your hair like a pro. And I'm desperate to fix this because I cannot stand my hair like this any longer. So let's see if the non-hairdresser lady can do the same straight lines as Bratmundo on this fake head with fake hair. Let's do it. Time to wash my hair. Okay, and now we are after washing. As you can see, I have feather instead of hair. So let's try to brush it. And to do that, I'm using Olivia Garden Combo Medium FB. They are so curly. So it will be very interesting to see the result. Okay, let's call it brushed. And now, as the video says, we should divide our hair into sections. I just brushed it. But this is normal, this is my normal morning. So let's section the hair. Now I separate a big section of my hair on the top, and then I have underneath hair released. As you can see, it's very fluffy, curly and everything. So yeah, let's do this. I'll use Remington and the same hairbrush, and what he was showing that you are basically using a thumb technique and putting a thumb next to the brush. So you kind of, sorry, it was my air refresher here. You are combing it down and then blowing. So let's try to do this with first section. Little flip in the roots area, but maybe it's good so it will give me some little volume. But all in all, the hair are straight with this technique. I mean, kind of, comparing to what is coming here. Okay, let's release the kraken. Okay, I will divide it into one more section then. I'll try to just make it a little bit wet because it's feather again. I will use quick dry heat spray, little protection. It's straight. It's good. Okay, we move on to the last section. that I have to say that the front is insane. It's very straight. I am impressed. And now we'll go to the back. Okay, then this one worked. It really worked, Bradmundo. Wow. Ooh la la. Maybe I should try other techniques as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I will just put some oil on my terrible ends that I'm cutting by myself. And yeah, see you in next video. Bye!